how to enable or disable alert sounds for cat or dog on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and tap on Sound Recognition. Make sure you turn on Sound Recognition at the top by tapping on the toggle button. Then we go down and tap on Sounds. In the Animals section, tap on Cat if you want to turn on sound detection for cat. And for dog, if you want to have have sound detection for dog, then tap on that. You can also choose the alert tones on your device. So tritone is the default alert tone. You can also change to other tone sound that you like. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.